Hello everyone, in this lesson you will see how we can insert a input field into our SwiftUI application. Now here we can add the code directly, otherwise we can drag the input field from the library here by pressing this library button and then selecting this option. The first one is show the views library. Here if you explore the input, which is the text field, then we can just drag that into here. Now here the first argument is placeholder. Actually before that I said we can add the layout component, otherwise the view into the canvas directly. For that all you have to do, just press on this button called selectable. So if you select that, then you can select some view, then it will select the frame in the canvas. Otherwise if you select a frame in the canvas, it will automatically select the code in the code base. Now to add the view, we can go to this library and then I'm going to say TextField, then just drag that into here. Now normally if you have not selected this selectable option, for example if you are in this live option, you cannot add text field into the canvas. You can see it is not happening. Now the placeholder, it is just the hint that visible to the user until they enter some text there. So I will say the placeholder as, let's say that should be a string. So I will pass in enter your name, and then what is this second one? Actually we have to pass in the reference of the variable where we are going to store our text is after user submit the text. Now the thing is we cannot directly say some variable and some variable name. For example, name is string and it is equals to some empty string. If we directly give the variable name like this, it will show us an error. Here you can see the error cannot convert value of type is string to expected argument type binding or something like that. Now the thing is we have to convert this variable into this property wrapper. We have to use this property wrapper called state. So it will remove the restriction that modification for this variable, because this is a struct. You can see this is a struct, so internal values cannot be changed later after declared. So that is why that's errors comes. Now what is the error? Cannot declare local wrapper variable in result builder. Now the thing is we cannot provide that variable here. Instead we have to provide that variable in the top. Now that is fine. That's actually my mistake. We have to keep that directly in this struct, not in the content of body. Now that's fine. Now here actually we have to say the symbol called the dollar. Okay, the dollar symbol has been inserted. Now when user submit the value will be stored in this variable called name. Now we can interact with the application by selecting this live version. Now actually we cannot type something because this is the canvas. To go ahead we can run this application. Actually we cannot see some output because we haven't set up any output to visible there. So we can just say text. Before that, let me go ahead and add the button, and I will say submit. Inside this I will say hello world to see this is clicking or not. You can see that is came to here, but instead I will say the variable name, which is the name, so it will show my output. So I will say here Ashane and then click submit. Now you can see Ashane has been printed. Now instead I will say my full name. You can see my full name is printed. Okay, that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.